Welcome to this Userful Control Center tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to save your display mappings as presets. Let's begin by assuming we want to have two presets that we want to switch between, either an opened and a closed preset. The first preset that we will be making is a closed preset, and as you can see, the closed preset is the preset where we will have no displays that are mapped. And these displays, when you want to unmap them, you want to make sure that they're at the top of the mapping section. We'll keep one display as an admin display, so whenever an admin needs to make any changes, they can go in and log in and they wouldn't have to worry about having their displays unmapped. So to save this preset, what you want to do is you want to go to the bottom right of your screen and click on this blue arrow, and you want to hit save as a preset. You'll get a pop-up and you want to type out closed. Sorry about that. And your closed preset is now saved. The next preset that we'll be making is the open preset. And to make the open preset, what we'll do is we'll be dragging the unmapped displays into a source. So all you need to do is click on the display that's currently unmapped and drag into the source of your choosing. And as you can see, I've mapped both the displays to this source right over here. And next, what you want to do is you want to go to the bottom right of the screen, just as you did with the closed preset, and click on the blue arrow. And this time you will see an apply and a save as a preset choice. And you want to apply the changes that you've made, and you want to save that as a preset. So in this case, we'll be naming this preset opened. If you want to make changes to a preset that you already have saved, what you need to do is make any changes that you need in the mapping section. In this case, I'll be changing the browsers for the catalog source. So what I'll do is click on the catalog source itself, and I'll change the browser from Google Chrome to Firefox. You'll notice that the displays are highlighted and the apply button has appeared blue now. We'll be clicking the icon right next to the apply button, and we'll be applying and saving as a preset, just as we did with the open preset first. You can rename this preset, or you can overwrite the preset that we've made before. And to overwrite a preset, we will need to type it out exactly as we have before. So in this case, we'll type out opened with a capital O as we did before. Hit OK. The preset open already exists. Are you sure you want to overwrite? And we will hit OK. And now we have a new open preset. By overwriting a preset in this way, it makes any changes you have made stick every time the preset changes. This is especially helpful when your presets are set to automatically switch every day. I'd like to thank you for watching this useful tutorial video. I hope you found everything in this video helpful. Thank you.